Okay, so welcome back to another video. We're going to be going over binary options today. The market is closed, so I just want to briefly go over what the Firestorm indicator does on crypto real quick, and then we're going to move to Euro USD. But if you're new here, right down here, you're going to see our amazing Firestorm indicator. And this is the Firestorm momentum. Then we have Firestorm breakout happening right here, giving us a strong sell signal. On top of that, we have a strong sell signal coming from the most popular strategies all over, put down into this little indicator so you don't junk up your chart. We had a great signal here. This is for binary options. I don't usually use the Firestorm indicators on binary options for Bitcoin because I don't trade crypto. I just don't. So I always use the Firestorm indicators when trading binary options on a 30-second chart for Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY, stuff like that. So those are the pairs I use. As you can see, we have beautiful sell signals and buy signals here. And we're just going to go back and look at these real quick. So if you're new here, the Firestorm indicators were actually created for binary options. And you can put them on higher time frames and use them with MetaTrader 4 style trading and get amazing results with that as well. And we are the only indicator on the market that will show you our accuracy. There's no other indicator out there that will show you the accuracy of the actual indicator in live action. It won't tell you the take profit 1 and 2 and the stop loss hit ratio. They just don't. No one ever puts that out there. Don't know why, but we are the first. So this accuracy meter does change based on whatever chart you're on. So if you go to GBP USD, let's go there right now. GBP USD, it will change to an 84% because it's a little more accurate here. So you could choose whatever chart that you want, but these are 30-second candles, and we are going to be going over, let's go back to Euro USD. We're going to be going over how many profitable and non-profitable trades you could take using binary options style trading with 1 to 3 minute trades. And as you can see, the Firestorm momentum is off right now. That's because the market is closed. I was just showing you briefly on Bitcoin so you could see how the Firestorm momentum works. So as you saw, it did give like a 75% accurate or 75% signal telling you to take a sell. And obviously, when you get that signal and you get one of these signals or a double signal up here and you get 75% or more on your momentum indicator down here, you get in on that trade because that's what our training shows. We have tons of trading videos of us live trading, and you can look at it on our YouTube channel if you want to look into this for your MetaTrader 4 and indices style trading. That's on our YouTube channel as well. We go over this indicator on all different pairs, all different currencies, NAS 100, US 30, all those things. So if you're into that style of trading and not binary options all that much, go ahead and head to Firestorm Trading on YouTube and you will see tons of videos on it. But right now we're going to be going over binary options. As you can see, we got another win here. We have a win here. And this is just full transparency, not just showing you the good trades. This is another win. These are 30-second candles. This is a break even, could be win. And then we also have another sell signal going on. We had a double sell signal here. So as you can see, we had a sell up here. And if you took that one, that would have been a win. So that's 2 trades. And then we have another win here. This one is kind of iffy, but honestly, if you took it here and it went all the way down here, you could have won that trade. Yeah, you could have definitely won that trade. It's a little rocky one, but made it happen. This one, very good trade. That's a win. This is another win. Look at this. Look at this. And I just know the Firestorm indicator was giving a 90% signal here. So if you took this and then the 90%, it was showing for a sell, I always take those trades. You'll see it in my videos where I take those trades and I make $500, $1,000, $150 live trading for you guys. And like I said, we have step-by-step training going over my exact strategy, what exactly I do. Here's another win for you. Another win. And we're just going back here. And you can get these indicators to alert your phone. So we teach you how to set up the alerts through TradingView. And you can have it alert your phone. And once it alerts your phone, it will pop up right on your phone. You can open up the chart, see exactly what it's doing, see if that's a trade you want to get in on. And you don't have to be watching the charts all day. You can literally be getting binary option signals all day long. So here's another win. That one was a win back here. This one was another win. This one was a break even right here, because we have multiple Firestorm indicators. So this is Firestorm Breakout that we're going over right now with Firestorm Momentum and Firestorm FX 2.0. Yes, there is step-by-step training on how to set up these indicators. You can use the default settings, which this is default settings right now. This is another win for you. So I can literally do this video forever showing you all the wins on Euro USD. Let's go to GBP USD now. Let's go back here. We got another win. Oh, actually break even. I'm being transparent here. Break even. That could be a win if you got in here long enough. These are 30-second candles. So if you're doing 1 to 3 minute trades, that could have been a win. So win here. This one, not really. I like Euro USD the most. That's always been my favorite. This is another win. This is another win. This is another win. So as you can see, this works on multiple charts, multiple pairs. Firestorm indicators doing its thing. Right here was obviously a loss unless you took a 1 minute trade. Then that would have been a win. I wouldn't have taken this trade anyway because I know for a fact this indicator was not correlating with it. So it probably was staying neutral because the pair was getting weaker. So I wouldn't have gotten in on that because I don't take them based on just the signal alone. I take them based on if this is showing me a 75% to 90% and then I get a buy signal, then I get in. Now this sell signal, profitable. This sell signal, profitable. This sell signal, profitable. So you had one loss here. Maybe could have been a loss if you took a 1 minute trade. But I always take 3 to 4 minutes and profitable, profitable, profitable. So fantastic trades there. Nothing's 100% in this world. I just want to be honest with you. That's why you have strategies. You have other things that correlate with it. So your accuracy gets even higher than this accuracy at the top of the screen. So we got a lot of members that do 80, 90, even 100% accuracies, following our step-by-step training video, going on how to set it up, how to use it, how to use each and every indicator, and how you can use it for Forex, binary options, and more. So there you go. This is what the Firestorm indicator is about on binary options. I'm going to end this video here. You can back test this when you get it. So when you sign up on the website, you can back test it. I show you what my binary options broker is. We have the ability to send out signals, which are coming very, very soon, meaning our signals are going to be automated through our Discord or maybe through Telegram. We're not sure yet. We're still working out the details of it, but signals are coming to that soon. So once you get started, any updates that we do, any future trainings, any signals that we launch in Firestorm indicators will be included into Firestorm indicators and updated into our Discord community. So you will get to see that and you will get access to all of our step-by-step training. So if you are new here, we do have basic Forex training. We do have beginner binary options training, and we have all of that in our step-by-step training. So As a beginner, don't be intimidated. You could definitely do this as well. I can't make any guarantees to you, but I can tell you that like 80% of our members are beginners here and they do amazing with it. And a lot of them are even stay-at-home moms. So, stay-at-home moms, they're busy with juggling kids, house cleaning, cooking, all the things. Even myself, I'm a mom of 4 kids. I juggle house cleaning, cooking, running a business, multiple businesses actually. And I am also a day trader and I trade binary options and MetaTrader 4 style trading every single day, Monday through Friday. So if I could do it, you could do it. I got a lot on my plate. I got 4 kids under 5 years old, and I can tell you I love trading binary options with these indicators. And I took my strategy and I put it into these indicators. These indicators are actually my specific strategy. I coded them, I created it, and that's what I created here. And I put the accuracy meter up there because I feel like the transparency needs to be known to everyone. There is no, oh, they have an 80% accuracy. Well, how do you know it has an 80% accuracy? Is that an 80% accuracy on back testing the last day or back testing the last week? Is that back testing the infinite all the way back to 1990? What is that actually back testing to get your accuracy? That's why I put the accuracy inside of the indicators, because that will tell you the true accuracy and show you what this indicator can actually do. And if you compare that with Firestorm Momentum and a couple other strategies that we have using our indicators that are super simple, you could be doing some big things. So no, it doesn't work on OTC trading for pocket options. So if you're trading OTC, it does not work for OTC, but we are actually working on some things for OTC in the future here. So when you get in, you will have access to that. You will see all those things. I'm going to end this video here. I hope you all have an amazing upcoming trading week, and I will see you on the other side when you get started.